Hi, this is a quick video to answer a few questions about brushes and colors. I've opened a CAD and we have a stitch line here. Let's see if it'll let me click it. Okay, this stitch line was actually just made with a stroke, not a brush. So this is not a good example. But here's another brush that looks like it's some kind of braid. Right now it's set at black. If I pick green, it stays exactly the same. So if I double click it, you can try to change the colorization to tints. And then the key color is white, so supposedly the white should change. Let's find out. Apply to strokes. No, only the black changed actually. There we are. Let's try another one. Tints, let's try tints and shades. Okay. That really didn't do anything. And hue shift. There we go. So the hue shift, it looks like it changed the white to green, where the tints changed the black outline to the green color that I picked. So I guess that's one way. If you have a brush already drawn, double click it and change the colorization method. Another tip is when brushes are created, I think it's easiest if they're created as black and white. Sometimes when I create the brush, like if it was green, let's just do that for an example. Let's say, I'm gonna make my dotted line a brush. Okay. So let's make a pattern brush out of this. Just say okay. Okay, I'm gonna change this stroke. So right now it says it's black, that's fine, but it was actually green. So I'm gonna double click it and change the color method to tints and say okay, apply to strokes. So it didn't really change it to black, it changed it to like a gray. So this is kind of problematic and hard to control. That's why I think when you do make your brushes, it's easiest to make them in black and white. Do that again, black. Okay, great. Oopsies. I'm not gonna use that one. Okay, there we go, I'll just do these three. Pattern brush, okay. Change it to tints, okay. Oopsies, I selected the whole CAD. Okay, so it's black right there. Now I'm gonna change it to maybe yellow. And yeah, because the tints was changed. So you just have more control when the brush starts as black instead of another color. Let's see another example. So that's for pattern brushes. The same also goes for the art brushes. So this little gathered line, oh my lord, there we are. Oh geez, too much. Okay, here we are. So this gathered line is black. Let's say we want it white. So it's stayed black. Here it is. This is an art brush. I'm gonna double click it. And then same thing, I'll change it to tints. And it's good that it started black. Apply to strokes. And there we are, it's white. And sometimes when my drawings have so many of these art brushes, I might delete them all and just have them all share the same one so that you don't have to go in and change every single one. Anyways, I hope that answers your question. If not, ask me more questions and I'll see if I can figure it out.